Hello. I just wanted to come on here real quick because I got this book from Amazon and I talked about it in one of my videos for the Vintage Journal. So if you saw that, I'm sorry that I'm repeating myself, but I got this. I saw one of our UK, I want to say it was in the UK. It wasn't in the US, put it that way. Junk Journal YouTubers. And she had this book, and it's a bird book. I have not opened it and looked at it. I am so excited. But, so that's how I buy my books, is when I see YouTubers, which are typically from the UK and Australia, that they get them from Amazon. Well, my mistake was buying it from Amazon. I never, ever, ever buy my books from Amazon. They are double the price of where I normally buy them from. And of course, once I bought it, I went on the bookstores websites where I normally order my books from, and they're half the price. But anyways, I got it, and I'm thinking of getting another one if it is as good in person as I saw it on her video. So let's dive in, if I can get this on done, oh my goodness, and check this out. And of course, whenever you do buy books online to use for junk journals, get the cheapest version of it because you're going to be cutting it up anyways. So it looks like this is a library, an old library edition. Look at that. It's just so pretty already. So it's the Illustrated Encyclopedia of Birds. And this one is by Christopher Perrins. And that's the difference. So look at the colors. See, there's already a bird to fussy cut. That's actually kind of cool. These are neat, actually, to learn. Oh, those are cool. Those feet are cool. I love the eggs. I am so big. The Edith Holden book. Are we going to have a glare? The Edith Holden book that has eggs. That one page I just love. Look at the little chicks. The colors are awesome. I just love these colors. Yes, I'm going page by page because I want to look at it. So you have beautiful birds. Sorry about that. The fussy cut. I just love that macaw. Look at those. Beautiful. That's pretty. That would be pretty to make into a journaling card. Look at all the penguins. See, those, I really like those cards. It's a shame it's on the back, but at least there's no color photos on the back. And it goes on, looks like it's in alphabetical order, and lots of awesome birds. So, yes, this is definitely, the bookstores I get them from are thriftbooks.com and Abe Books, A-B-E Books. And Abe Books has this in there right now, free shipping, $3.89. But it's a different year, I want to say. Yeah, this one's 1990. So I don't know if that makes a difference. The one that A Books has for $3.89 is 1996, but I'm assuming it's the same. But I'm going to look at it a little bit more, and I will probably buy that. So I have two of these because these pages would be awesome in my bundles. So yeah, I can see, oh, gorgeousness. Oh my gosh. These colors are awesome. And I like the paper. It's not glossy. It's a matte, but it's a, like a superior matte, if that makes any sense. So, wow. Yeah, I can definitely see Fussy cutting a lot of birds out. I hope it's not too dark for you guys, but that glare isn't cool. So oh, look at the owls. How nice. Look at that. I really love these. These are going to make great journaling cards. But it cuts out. Look, it's cutting out the cutest picture. So, yeah, I have to get the other book because I want those for journaling cards. Look at that. That's a nice picture. Oh, look at that. Yeah, these are very pretty. I wish I could find a flower book like this. Look at this one with the fish. And that one with the bird. Or the little fly. All different woodpeckers. It's so nice how it's backed up to the writing and not to other pictures like so many books are. Okay, these are different. Neat. Flycatchers. That's what these birds are called. Swallows. Oh my gosh, this book just goes on and on. Look at how pretty the blue is. Beautiful pictures. I'll have to cut out a couple for my current journal to bring in the blue. So here, this is all the index, which will make good book pages. So let me show you the printed in Italy. just looking for all information. I want to see who illustrates it. It was originated and printed in Italy. That's awesome. All right. So here it is. So you can buy this book if you want to. There, can you see it better that way? All right. I can't wait to get into this book, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.